Hello, I am Rachel Kramer, a research librarian, and this video will teach you to use the database Gale in Context, Opposing Viewpoints. Let's get started. From the MCC homepage, scroll down and click the library link. This is the library's homepage. Go to Research Resources and click on Databases A to Z. In the Commonly Used Databases box, click on Gale in Context, Opposing Viewpoints. If you are working from off-campus, you will be prompted to log in. Simply use the same username and password that you use for Brightspace and student email. Gale in Context, Opposing Viewpoints provides short, informational reports on topics and current events. It also provides a variety of sources related to the topic. Basically, this database does some of your research for you. Your options for this argumentative paper are book bans or child labor. Type your search terms in the search bar inside quotation marks. Using quotation marks tells the system to return results with that exact phrase. Let's start with child labor. This is the short overview report. It is unbiased and is a great way to get more information about your topic. Click Read More to access the full report. Click the back arrow to return to the main page. Underneath the overview are a variety of sources on this topic. Be aware that not every source listed here will be a great source for this paper. However, it's a good place to start. Let's look closer. Featured viewpoints and viewpoints are opinion pieces or editorials. Academic journals are scholarly peer-reviewed articles. There are also primary sources, reference sources, and so much more. Now let's try searching for book bans. I type in book bans, and no report comes up. Well, did you notice that when I was typing, the system suggested book banning? Let's try searching book banning instead. And here is that overview report. And beneath it are all of the related sources. And that is how you use Gale in Context, Opposing Viewpoints. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me or another MCC librarian. And be sure to watch the other video on the database CQ Researcher. Good luck with your papers.